Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have our pre-owned 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This is the first Mitsubishi I have ever driven. It looks like that's where the trailer hitch might go. Get some nice mats that go with them. Oh, you're not gonna fly off on me, are you? Okay, good. Sitting behind myself, plenty of room. All right. .4 liter inline 4-cylinder, mated to a CVT transmission. Nice and simple interior. But simple doesn't mean basic. This still has a nice touchscreen infotainment system and a bunch of other neat features. I don't know, you guys, you tell me. You know what, let's do the fuel economy. Business card holder. It is getting hot with the sun coming down. I'm wearing all black because I'm stupid, but so pardon the extra noise from the HVAC system, but I am hot. Do have some really nice paddles that are mounted to the steering column, so they stay stationary. Ooh, Stinger. Manual e-brake. Your four-wheel drive system. Gets up to speed nice and quick. No complaints there. With the paddle shifters, you can determine when the CVT shifts. I say shifts because there's no actual gears in there. It's a system of pulleys that mimic ratios of a gearbox. That's why it's continuously variable. It's very ingenious technology, and it's what's allowed great fuel economy, because on the highway it can determine whatever gear it needs to be in, and it saves a lot of space. Really nice center infotainment system. Not infotainment, but digital graphic display center. Display, yeah. You know what? That's my new term. I'm using that in every video now. Displays a lot of great information, like your water temperature, your trip, your odometer. Brake feel is great. Visibility is phenomenal as well, especially for the segment. Cars this competes with is probably closer to the HR-V Honda rather than the CR-V. You can tell it's really fun to drive. It is a very short wheelbase in terms of SUVs, so it's really nimble to drive. You can also shift with the gear selector, but the paddles are just 10 times easier to use. Another great use for them is engine braking. So say you don't want to ride the brakes, you can just lift, downshift, and it slows it down a good amount. So right now I'm just slowing down based on engine braking. So that's useful if you're coming down a mountain or something like that and you don't want to just ride the brakes the whole way. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.